better bed. I will collect this money. Collect this money, buy another bed.
Hey, my guy, have fun, man.
My man.
How you doing?
My brother, do.
Guy, don't tell,
So now.
You are looking fresh.
That is my hobby, man. Yes, now.
What is your update now?
Update now. Everything good.
I trust you. Wow. Nah, you get this one again.
This is one of my bed.
Are you serious?
In fact,
no, I envy you.
This one
Go
of my
on, do one for you, go do one for us.
Amen,
go do one for us. You
amen,
go fit give me one bottle, or maybe we wash am. Maybe wash am.
Are they selling drink around
Yeah,
here?
then they sell now.
Let us go.
Maybe don't say na one bottle now. Make I take hold down.
Only one bottle go to you anytime. I will give you two.
No wahala.
From 2 to 3.
Yeah, I dey with you. We go finish here.
I'll give you because
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man.
How far na? How things?
my brother,
I hear say you don marry o.
everything. I don't settle everything. I don't do everything.
Na wow.
Na
Who dey here say make dem come, make dem give us.
Wait
Make dey come. Na wow. I dey with you now.
You drink sef.
Even though say na one black, e dey black. See your bed o, e dey fly o.
No, leave her. Now I send her. Now me go buy.
You sure?
Yeah.
Your bed don dey fly, you say na your car wash?
Get that one now.
Na wow. Are you sure?
My car. Now my car now. I just say make them go wash am.
Guy, I no believe you.
You think say you dey wise?
I no believe. How person go carry your bed just go like that? You tell me say na your car wash. You should bring the.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. And Nigeria is not